Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, thanks so much for coming. And we have a Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy. This is the $25 a month, comparable to Boxycharm, $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products, and this is April, so let's see what we got. This is actually later than I thought, but it's here. So make sure you check the inside of the bag. There's some loose stuff sometimes. Typically the card doesn't say anything. So I will tell you what I picked. I picked one of these brushes. This is the Shayna B Miami. It's a 5-piece eyeshadow brush set. And then this is the Bow Gaseous 5-piece eye brush set. They both are really pretty. Okay, here's the card. Force of Nature and 5 skin-friendly superfoods, which is really cool. I see avocados on there, so we know that's great. But I picked brushes because brushes are a great value and they're also great for giveaways. And then I got another brush. This is the same company as this Bow Gaseous or Gash, I don't know. This is very pretty, super fluffy, and this is a concealer perfecting brush. Ooh, that's really nice. And then Grace and Stella face mask. Grace and Stella is a great brand. This is 120 mLs. Meet Mud, your best, oh my God. Meet Mud, your skin's new best friend. So I guess it's a mud mask. This is cute. I think I added these on, these facial radiance pads, because this is a trial size. It's 10 pads. So that's really nice for traveling. And I actually do use these. They exfoliate, tone, and brighten. First Aid Beauty, very good. Let's see, Numa. This is Renew Scalp Therapy, 3.4 fluid ounces, 100 mLs. Does have a seal. It's a nice brand, nice bottle. And the last thing is LM Rescue Butter. Love this yellow. Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter, 50 mLs or 1.69 fluid ounces. Dr. Botanicals. Okay. This probably has a seal because Ipsy is great at doing seals on their products. And here is the bag for the month. Really cute. It matches the card. Okay, so the 5 products are right here. Scalp, face, body, and brushes. Nice mix. I don't know. What do you guys think for $25? Recurring theme, is it worth it? I think totally for me, especially the brushes. So if you haven't tried Ipsy, I think you're missing out. Sometimes it's a win and sometimes it's an okay, but I've never been really upset at Ipsy. I have at Boxy, but this is Ipsy and I love this bag all the time. So stay tuned. Next month is Glam Bag X. So we shall see. That is a collaboration with Khloe Kardashian. So as always, guys, stay tuned and stay safe.